Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our previous lesson, we learned about the worksheet object. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important objects in Excel VBA, the range object. The range object is used in almost every VBA program because it allows us to work with cells. Whether you are reading data, writing values, selecting cells, or updating reports, you will use the range object. Let's begin. Before writing code, let's understand what a range is. A range can represent a single cell, multiple cells, an entire row, an entire column, or even non-adjacent cells. For example, I have selected I10 cell. This is a range. It is a single cell range. And I select multiple. It is a range containing multiple cells, starting with J10 to K14. Whenever we want VBA to work with Excel data, we usually work with the range object. Let us take one example. This is the simplest use of the range object, single cell range. So how do we write the code? The code is like this: range, open bracket, double quotation. If you want to select A1, specify the A1 range, dot select. Okay, let us run it. Alt F11. Go to insert, module, sub, demo1, open bracket, close bracket. Okay, range A1. Let us run it. See, it got selected the A1 cell. If you want to select C4, just change it to C4. Now see, if it got selected C4. This is example 1. Let us go with example 2. This is multiple cell range. Okay, let us select this range, C2 to D6. Okay, C2 is to D6. It's a colon. Okay, if you see here, it is selected B2, right? Let us run it. F8, F8, F8. Yeah, it got selected. So this code is used to select the multiple cells. Let us check the third example. Write data. This code writes the text into the cell you specify. Let me copy the formula. Range. Let me paste it. It is okay. Copy and paste. So if the user wants to paste, for example, test 1, 2, 3 in A1 cell. So we use it dot value, range, open bracket, double quotation, the cell you need to refer, dot value, and you need to specify what value need to be pasted or to be written. Okay, you're able to see it, right? It has written the data test 1, 2, 3. The value property is used whenever we want to place information into a cell. Instead of typing manually, VBA writes the value automatically. Let us take another example. Instead of A1, B1. Instead of test, we'll give the value. Okay. If it. See, it got pasted B1 with 1000. So this time we are writing a number into the cell B1. The value property works with text, numbers, dates, and formulas. Okay. If you see here, if it is text, then you should be using double quotation. If it is value, then double quotation is not required. This is an important note. And the last example is read data. Okay. So how do we read the data? You need to write the code range, double quotation. You need to specify the cell or range dot value. Okay, we'll copy it. If it is message box, it will reflect the message box. Here we'll type demo 1212. Okay, and we'll run the code. Message box range a1 dot value. You got it right? Message box, and it is showing the value which is stored in A1 cell, demo 1212. So reading data is just as easy. This code reads whatever is stored in cell A1 and displays it in a message box. If A1 contains a word, it will display the word. As you see, this is commonly used when validating user input or processing Excel data. Okay. So today we learned the basics of the range object. We learned how to select a single cell, select multiple cells, write values into the cells, read values from cells. These four concepts form the foundation of almost every VBA macro you will write. That's it for today. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. In the next lesson, we will continue exploring the range objects and learn how to copy data, clear cells, format ranges, auto-fit columns, and much more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.